Hi friends, in the last session we discussed that another program star pattern of a reverse. Okay, we discussed that reverse program of a star pattern. Okay, so in the same way, first program what we discussed the star pattern in the forward direction. So in the same program now we have to print the same star pattern but with the representation of numbers. Okay, now we have to print the same pattern with representation of a number. Okay, okay, observe here. So if my requirement is okay, so what is the number? 1 2 3 4 4. Okay, suppose if my given input, okay, input is n is equal to 5. Okay, if my input number is 5, fourth question. The fourth question, if my input number is 5, output should be like below. Output should be like below: 1 comma 1 2 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 4 comma 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I want the output should be display in this format. Okay, I want the output should be display in that format. Okay, so how we can represent it? Let me observe the first in the notepad, then I will get I will write a program. Okay, first one, next to 1 space 1 space 2, next to 1 space 2 space 3, next to 1 space 2 space 3 space 4, 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 space 5. Okay, so this is what we, this is the representation. Okay, this is the representation. Okay, this is the representation. Now we have, our target is to print this pattern. Then our target is to print this pattern. Now observe carefully. Okay, we know already this one represent a row, this one represent a column. Okay, but the scenario is when row is incrementing. Okay, when row is incrementing, when row is incrementing, column level numbers are incrementing. Okay, when row is incrementing, okay, observe here point number 1. When row is incrementing, column level numbers are incrementing. Okay, point number 1. Next point number 2. Okay, when column level numbers are incrementing, when column level numbers incrementing, when column level numbers incrementing, we have to use a row number. We have to use a row number. When row is incrementing, observe carefully. When row is incrementing, when row is incrementing, column level numbers are incrementing. Point number 1. When column level numbers incrementing, okay, when column level numbers incrementing, we have to use the row number. Okay, we have to use the row number. So how we can use that one means, so observe here in front of you, I'm writing the program. For I, for row in range of, okay, for row in range of n, okay, for row in range of n. But if I take n only, so how many elements will get? 0 to 4 elements. Okay, we will get 0 to 4 elements. But so if I take the problem, okay, first let me explain this here only. Next, for row in range of n, so if we will get only 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4. So we want to start from 1. Okay, okay, we want to start from 1. Okay, to start from 1 means we have to take here 1. We have to take here 1. We have to take from here as a 1 1. Okay, 1 to n, 1 to n. So in this case, okay, in this case what happen means it will give only, okay, it will give only how many elements? 1 to 4 elements, means 4 elements only it will come. So to prevent that problem we have to use the plus 1. Okay, we have to use the plus 1. So now it will become 5. Okay, now it will become 5. Okay, next, for column in, okay, column in range of, for column in range of a row, for column in range of a row. So why I have to take a row? Okay, why I have to take a row? So observe here, for printer, okay, print here I am printing column. Okay, I am printing column, column comma, okay, column comma, column comma end is equal to single attribute. Okay, single attribute. So I'm taking here row. So row means first scenario 1. 1 means column range 1. 1 means it will get 0. First 0. So it will print 0. But our target is 1. Okay, but our target is 1. So to print 1, we have to use here. We have to use here what? 1 comma row. Okay, we have to use here 1 comma row. Uh, okay, here what we have to use? 1 comma row. Okay, 1 comma row. Here we have to use 1 comma row. So if we use 1 comma row, is it going to work? No. Okay, is it going to work or no? Why it will not work means observe carefully the reason also. So the point here is 1 comma row means 1 row. So already row is 1. 1 comma 1 means there will be no extent. So it will not come. So to prevent that problem, we have to write one more. That is plus 1. If we write a plus 1, so then only, okay, then only we will get the expected output. Okay, I will show you all the scenarios. Okay, I will show you all the scenarios. Finally, here we have to write a print. Here we have to write a print statement. Why? Because we have to write a print statement means okay, once the movement is completed, this scenario, okay, once the inner for loop completed, so to come into the next line, okay, to come into the next line, okay, to come into next line, clear? To come into the next line we have to go for print statement after first for loop, okay, after inner for loop, right? So now observe the scenario, the same program. Okay, 1 comma 5 plus 1. Let me consider here n is equal to 5. Okay, n is equal to 5. Here n. So observe here the output. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. But observe the scenario. If I am not considering 1, if I am not considering 1, so if I am not considering 1 means what happened means so what is the 5 plus 1? 6. Okay, 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled because range of n means end minus 1. Okay, range of n means end minus 1. So that one will get cancelled. Okay, that one will get cancelled. Okay, that one will get cancelled and it will start from 0. Okay, it will start from 0. That one will get cancelled and it will start at 0. So here it is missing 0. Okay, it is missing 0 because already here 0 plus 1, okay, 0 plus 1 means 1, okay. So that one 1 comma 0 means it will not. 0 plus 1 means but minus 1 will get cancelled and 0 1 is 0. 1 comma 0 means it is not correct, okay, it is not correct and it will cancel, okay. That's why next scenario it will not print anything, okay, it will not print anything. So and observe here, if I am taking here 1 only it is working, okay, 1 only it is working, 1 only it is working. So it is working properly. 1 2 3 4 5. So observe here, if I am not considering here 1, okay, 1, here 1 will come, 1 plus 1 plus 1, so only 1 is there, okay, 1 means 0, so it will start printing from 0. If you observe here, it will start printing from 0, but this is not our requirement, okay. So to do that we have to use 1 comma I plus 1, okay, 1 comma I plus 1, clear. 1 comma I plus 1, 1 comma I plus 1, okay. In this way we will get the expected output. But if I take 8 means the scenario will change, it will print 1 2 3 4 8, okay. If I take 15, okay, if I take 15, so behavior will change, right. So this is nothing but what printing number series, okay. This is nothing but what printing number series, okay. Actually what happening is first based on this range 5 rows, okay, based on this range 5 rows. 5 rows means it will decide it will print 5 rows, it will print 5 rows. So first it will start from 1, okay, 1. Here it will come 1 comma 1 plus 1, okay, 2, 2 minus 1 anyway, okay, 1 plus 1 minus 1, okay, 1 comma 1 means so at least it will get 1, okay, 1 will be printed. Next when it will be incremented to, so condition will get not satisfied and it will come to here. Next it will become 2, it will become 2. So here 1 plus 2 plus 1, okay, 1 comma 2. So here in this case it will get a 2 prints, okay, this one. But every iteration of it's completed, okay, every iteration of it completed, this one will get, this one will be get, this one will execute and then only it will come to the next line, okay, then only it will come to the next line, clear. So in this way, so programming will be happen, okay. But make sure if you are having clear clarity on the looping statements, okay, if you are having clear clarity on the looping statement, okay, then only you will get to master in the logicals, okay. If you are having any questions on this, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email id in the given description, okay. Thank you friends, thanks for watching, but please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time, okay. Please subscribe. If you are having any questions or queries, post your query in the comment section, okay. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video.